Think you're doing push-ups right? Most people aren't. And if you're making these common mistakes, you're wasting reps, risking injury, and limiting your gains. Today, I'll show you the correct push-up form that makes every rep count. Push-ups are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises. They target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, and they improve overall stability. But here's the catch. Incorrect form can seriously limit results. Let's fix that, step by step. First, let's tackle the most common mistakes. Dropping the hips problem creates a banana shape from head to heels, lowers core engagement, strains your lower back. Fix. Tighten your glutes and core to stay in a straight line. Flaring elbows out. Problem. Increases shoulder stress, reduces chest activation. Fix. Keep elbows at 45 degrees from your torso, not going low enough. Problem. Limits range of motion, reduces strength gains. Fix. Lower chest to just above the floor while keeping your body tight. Neck and head. Misalignment. Problem. Strains neck, disrupts spinal alignment. Fix. Keep a neutral neck, looking slightly ahead. Uneven weight distribution problem. Causes. Muscular imbalances and joint stress. Fix. Press evenly through both hands, keep shoulder blades retracted. Here's how to do a perfect push-up. Hand placement. Slightly wider than shoulders, fingers spread, body alignment, head, spine, hips, heels in a straight line. Engage core. Tight abs and glutes prevent sagging. Lowering phase. Slowly bend elbows to 90 degree at a 45 degrees angle to your torso. Chest close to the floor. Pushing. Phase. Press through palms, extend elbows fully without locking aggressively. Breathing. Inhale down, exhale up. Want to perfect your push-up? Try these variations. Wall push-ups, beginner-friendly, reinforces alignment. Incline push-ups, hands on a bench, easier than floor push-ups. Decline push-ups, feet elevated, emphasizes. Upper chest, forces strict form. Push-up, holds, planks, builds core engagement and rigidity. Tips to lock in perfect form. Record yourself to check alignment. Slow down reps, focus on quality over quantity. Warm up shoulders to prevent strain. Strengthen core, triceps and upper back. Use verbal cues. Tight core, elbows at 45 degree. Straight line. Don't fall for these push-up myths. Wider hands, bigger chest, too wide stresses shoulders. Keep moderate width. Lock elbows at the top. Overlocking stresses joints. Stop slightly short. Fast push-ups. Better workout. Controlled reps beat speed every time. Doing push-ups correctly maximizes chest, triceps, and shoulder activation, engages your core, reduces injury risk, improves posture, and builds a foundation for advanced bodyweight exercises. Remember, straight body line, elbows at 45 degree, tight core, chest low, shoulders safe. Correct form makes every push-up count. Practice mindfully and you'll see gains faster and safer. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs better push-ups. Comment below with your push-up struggles. I'll help you fix them